Okay, after finish the setting, we will come to the authorization. Authorization is divided into the third part. The first one is authorization for whole system and management. We click and we can see for this people administrator, we have all the functions. We click for his for this person. So if we want to add someone, we choose, for example, cashier. You could see he only have some right to change password and operator shift the records like this. We from authorization from here. And also for the parking manager, he also have all the functions. If we want to add some category of this system, we click to add. For example, we add operator here. So for this operator, this level, I only ask him to uh, setting parameters and system maintenance payment scheme no, and authorization no, and revenue recharge error correction, and admission vehicle report. Okay, surveillance is okay, and also for the files, no, it's just the operator, he can check the files. So we click what he can do from here. After finish, we choose save. Save. Okay, you can see we add it successfully for operator. Sure, we also could add and also cancel some some authorization and functions of him. We click this person, for example, we receive. Okay, we choose cancel, and you see just now the operator we operated is be cancelled. First, you need to click and then edit what he can do from here, and after finish, save. Okay, or after finish everything, save it successfully. If it's successfully, you will see the save and cancel button will change. It will change the crystal and you cannot click again. Okay, this is a function of authorization for category of person. Okay, exit. After finish, we go to the operator profile. Because if you have a cashier, you have a different person for this group. For administrator, maybe the boss and the management. So we authorize a cashier and username is administrator. For example, we add somebody. For example, this username is for Lisa, and his authorization group is cashier. Okay, receive. So we can see the list. One person name is Lisa, and his operator authorization group is cashier. And also, you want to change the person. If Lisa forget the password, you click here and clear the password. Okay. Yes. So we clear his password. You could resetting the password when he login. He could resetting the password. The the enter password will be blank. Okay. Um, and this is a function of for the operator, and you could choose from a category group from here. Okay. After setting or, we exit. From the third part, resetting for the parking lot. For some parking lot, we have some different area, and maybe we have number one, so we name it number one parking. And also if we want to add more, maybe we call it source. Okay, oh sorry. Only allow the two characters. So we add 03 and input 03 parking. Yeah, after finish we save. So we say the number 3 parking is in the list. After finish or we exit the system. Now this is the simple functions of authorizations.